everyone. We're starting to study birds, and birds hatch from eggs. Here I have a chicken egg. I thought it would be fun for us to talk about if a boiled egg can float in water. What you need for this experiment are 2 glasses, 4 heaping teaspoons of salt, a boiled egg, and about 2 cups of water. First, I'm going to pour 1 cup of water into each glass. And let's see if we can make sure that they're as even as possible. This looks about right. And then I'm going to pour all of the salt into the second glass of water. And I'm going to stir until all of the salt is dissolved. So this might take a little bit of time. So we talked about what dissolving means in an experiment that we did a few weeks ago. And dissolving means that the tiny little bits of salt just spread out all through the water. I have my 3 sons here who are sitting and watching very carefully as an audience, but they're going to be very, very quiet while we do this experiment. All right, let's see. It's almost there. We're almost there. I can see that the water is starting to become more clear. Oh, it's almost there. Guys, how long do you think it's going to take?
Hour.
Let's see how long, and we can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, a little bit longer. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. I'd say that most of the salt is dissolved. There's still a little bit left on the bottom, but I think that for the most part, all of the salt has been dissolved. So I'm going to stop stirring and put the teaspoon on the side. So let's see now. I have my egg, and as I said, it's a boiled egg. So first I'm going to put the egg into the first glass. And I see that the egg dropped all the way to the bottom of the glass. To me, that means that the egg is more dense than the water. More dense means that it's more tightly held together. And the little bits of egg that make up the egg stay together really, really, really closely, more closely than the little bits of water. And that's why the egg falls all the way to the bottom, because the egg is actually heavier than the water. Well, what happens if we put the egg into the glass with salt? So I'm going to use my careful fingers, and I'm going to take the egg out of the first glass, and I'm going to put it into the glass with the water. Wow, the egg is floating at the top of the glass. So to me, that tells me that the water is now more dense than it was before. That means that the salt filled in the little bits of space that were between the bits of water, and now the water with the salt are pushing the egg back up in the water. But there's another trick. What happens if we add a little bit more water to the glass? Let's see. Did it start to go down? So it started to go down, and I filled the glass almost to the very, very edge. It started to go down. That means that when we put more water into the glass that doesn't have any salt, the spaces between the water, and the salt get bigger. So the egg can go further down into the glass. And this is an experiment that you can do at home with your parents. Thank you so much for joining me. Until next time.
Bye. Bye.